Hello everyone, you welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So if today is your first time here, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'll be showing you the different method that I use to make box braid. So the first method, just watch and see how we'll be doing it. And the first method is my best method. Yes, that is what I use most, especially for my clients. This is what they prefer because I've used the different method, but most 80% of my clients, they come up with this one. They always like to make this one. So guys, I'll be dropping the pictures here so you see the latest one that I've made for a client of mine, so you see how family it look. So please guys, keep watching. I don't want to talk too much. Okay, just keep watching. Okay, thank you so much.
Are you now? Will you make it alone, or do you need someone else? I don't need anyone, I'll do it all by myself. Got scars, put up my guard. I don't wanna get torn apart. I start to feel my heart race faster, it's pumping hard. And all I want is to be something. That's why I just keep on running. Can't stop what you don't see coming. Yeah, and you know I'm coming. How can I trust you if you don't trust me? I do what I do, 'cause it is just me, and nothing is new. No, I'm not lucky. I work my ass off, so I'll be some. You either pick yourself up, or you let yourself down. Life will always be tough, so who the fuck are you now? Will you make it alone, or do you need someone else? I don't need anyone, I'll do it all by myself.
Okay guys, this is the second method. Guess what? The second method, I use it when I'm doing the medium box braid. You know, when it's if it is medium size, trust me, you can go for this one. You can go for this one. It's perfect. So I don't know if you like this one, but just let me know in the comment section what you prefer. You can see it's very easy. It's actually so easy. Let me do it again so that you will see. It's actually easy to get this one. Just take a look, see how I'm going to grab it. It's not a must that you must twist, okay? It's not a must. I twist it so that the tip will not be, the root will not be so heavy, okay? Just, okay, look at it. You see what I'm doing? So this is my third braid, you can see. Then thereafter I can spread the hair around the natural hair, okay? And you continue braiding to the end. See how I'm parting it, okay? You see it. I take a little from this side, and the other part of the braid I take a little from the other side, so it will just be equal, the three of them. Okay guys, let me leave you and you can watch. Okay, thank you.
I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win. I don't want no fake love, love, I want the real stuff. Everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once. I'm gonna show you all the path. If you want it bad, I'm gonna show you where it's at. Yeah, how you can get it back. Yeah, cause I ain't never done. I'll be number one, working hella hard until I get just what I want. Yeah, rises like the sun. Yeah, fatal like a gun. Shooters gonna shoot and I'm gonna shoot until
the third one, yeah. So guys, this one, you know, when you are making Ghana lines or Ghana weaving, whichever one you understand it to be, or cornrows, you know, when you are making it, normally some people, they will just take a little of it to start braiding. Okay, so this method is somewhat similar, but the difference is, you know, this one is not Ghana line, so you just have to take the hair together and just make your braids. That is just it. Yes. Okay guys, let me leave you watch. Please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not subscribed. Let's be family. Please support your girl. Please support me. Thank you so much. Okay, let's keep watching.
yeah. Yeah. They say life will bring discomfort, and I discovered we all just suffer, cause no one feels that bad. And it comes from one another, we hurt each other just like a lover, and don't think twice about that. Yeah, and I feel like something's bad, but hell, I'm used to that. I always turn my back, yeah. And I wanna feel something, but all I feel is pain. I wanna make a change, but you either pick yourself up or you let yourself down. Life will always be tough, so who the fuck are you now? Will you make it alone, or do you need someone else? I don't need anyone, I'll do it all by myself. Got scars, put up my guard. I don't wanna get torn apart. I start to feel my heart race faster, it's pumping hard. And all I want is to be something. That's why I just keep on running. Can't stop what you don't see coming. Yeah, and you know I'm coming. How can I trust you if you don't trust me? I do what I do, cause it is just me, and nothing is new. No, I'm not lucky. I work my ass off, so I'll be some. You either pick yourself up or you let yourself down. Life will always be tough, so who the fuck are you now? Will you make it alone, or do you need someone else? I don't need anyone, I'll do it all by myself.
Okay guys, so this brings me to the end. Yeah, this is the last method that you can use to start your braids. Okay, so guys, you see this one I'm doing is very good. This one is nice if you are making the big size. If you are making the big size, I think you should go for this one because it's so easy. It's so easy. You don't have to like crack your brain how you are going to put all of the hair, you know. So it's so easy because you are making the natural hair your third strand, which make it even more easier for you. So guys, I would say when you are making the jumbo braids, go for this one. This one is the most easiest when you are doing the jumbo braids. You just part the hair and you use the edge control to make it come closer. Okay, so guys, that brings us to the end. And please, if you have not subscribed up to this moment, what are you waiting for? Please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell, and please drop in the comment section what method that you like or what method that you prefer to start your box braid. Let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much. God bless you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win. I don't want no fake love, I want the real stuff. Everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once. I'm gonna show you all the path, if you want it bad. I'm gonna show you where it's at, yeah, how you can get it back. Yeah, cause I ain't never done, I'll be number